Luxury housing boom. 40% increase in sales in April to June quarter. Hello, and welcome back to another video. Are you curious about the latest trends shaping the housing market? In today's video, we're diving into an exciting surge in luxury housing sales and uncovering why more buyers are opting for high-end homes. But before that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos. Here's a quick look at the luxury housing market surge. It's quite interesting how luxury housing sales surged by 40% year-on-year in the April to June quarter. In contrast, the affordable housing segment saw a 20% decline, highlighting shifting consumer preferences. According to CREDAI, sales of residential units priced above 1.5 crore rupees have significantly increased. In the first quarter of 2023, approximately 4,000 luxury units were sold, a significant increase from the 1,600 units sold in the same period in 2022. Now, fast forward to the first quarter of 2024, the Indian real estate market has continued its upward trajectory, with a total of 74,486 residential units sold. This marks a 20% increase compared to the same period in 2023, showcasing the robust growth in the luxury residential sector. There are a few factors behind the surge. First is increased disposable incomes. Second factor, preference for high-end homes. And lastly, luxury housing as an investment. India's economic growth, general prosperity, and preference for larger homes are also key drivers, which is why leading developers have launched numerous projects to meet this demand. According to property experts, NRI investments have further fueled this growth, making luxury homes not just prestigious but also attractive investments. Some of the prime locations for luxury housing in the NCR region are Noida, Greater Noida, Ghaziabad, and Gurgaon. These areas offer a blend of modern amenities, strategic locations, and premium lifestyle choices. In short, stable economic indicators, interest rates, and robust economic growth have created a fertile environment for luxury real estate. Additionally, foreign investments and the trend of owning multiple luxury properties among high-net-worth individuals further boost this market. This brings us to the end of our video. Stay tuned for more real estate insights by hitting the subscribe button.